Have you ever seen this picture of a leafy strawberry before? It definitely isn't normal, so what's going on here? These strawberries are something called vivipary plants. The sophisticated definition says that this is the development of vegetative shoots upon or among the reproductive organs of a plant. But in my words, it's when the seeds of a plant sprout while they're still attached to the parent plant. This condition, I guess you could call it, is most common in plants with lots of seeds, like strawberries, tomatoes, and peppers. But honestly, I sort of like the way these plants look. Like this pepper over here, it's literally giving birth. This can be caused by genetic mutations or the environment, but it will most likely occur in plants that are overripe. So yeah, that's vivipary plants in a nutshell, or maybe a pepper shell.